Water damage can create the perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew, making your home or business unsafe. Built for restoration professionals, Bioesque Mold and Mildew Stain Remover is the fast and easy solution to tackle the toughest stains of mold and mildew without scrubbing or brushing. Our unique formula, made with surfactants and other cleaning agents, breaks down stubborn stains quickly, so you can restore your surfaces with less effort. The product quickly breaks down and destroys stains of mold, mildew, and algae on many indoor and outdoor surfaces with hardly any effort. It also breaks down and loosens dirt particles that come off while rinsing with no scrubbing required. Designed for use on wood, masonry, decks, drywall, brick, vinyl siding, kitchen surfaces, and more. Bioesque is tough on stains, but gentle on the surfaces. Bioesque Mold and Mildew Stain Remover tackles deep, ugly stains from black mold and mildew, eliminating discoloration and restoring surfaces. It's a powerful, fast-acting spray that gets rid of those tough-to-reach stains in no time. Simply spray and watch as the stains vanish, no scrubbing needed. Get Bioesque today for a cleaner that works as fast as you do.